The Kodiak Klipper Cap Light is a compact and lightweight, hands-free lighting solution designed for everyday tasks, close-range work, and low-profile illumination. Let's take a closer look. The package includes the cap light and a USB-C charging cable. You should always give rechargeable products a full charge before first use. The Klipper can be charged from any USB power source, including computers, power banks, or wall chargers. Remove the magnetic cover from the bottom of the light. Then pull back the rubber port cover and insert the USB-C plug. A solid red light indicates that charging is in progress. A solid green light means that charging is complete. A full charge of the built-in lithium polymer battery takes approximately 2.5 hours. The Klipper is constructed from a combination of aluminum, rubber, and plastic, offering durability while remaining lightweight. The cap light measures approximately 2.3 inches in length, 1.6 inches wide, and just over 1 inch deep. The total weight of the light is just over 1.4 ounces, making it comfortable for extended wear. The Klipper is impact-resistant up to 1 meter and features an IPX2 weather-resistant rating for light rain and splashes. There are 4 different power modes available. One press of the power button activates the single light high mode, producing 100 lumens with a runtime of up to 4 hours and a beam distance of 10 meters. An additional press switches to single light low mode, delivering 30 lumens with a runtime of up to 12 hours and a beam distance of 5 meters. At any point, you can take the folds of the light and unfold them out in whichever orientation you please. Holding the power button while the light is on will toggle to a higher power mode with all 3 lights on the device. The triple light high mode produces 200 lumens with a 2-hour runtime and a beam distance of 14 meters. The triple light low mode sits at 70 lumens with a 5.5-hour runtime and a beam distance of 8 meters. You can toggle back to the single light mode by holding the power button for 3 seconds once more. The Klipper is designed to clip directly onto the brim of a hat, providing hands-free illumination wherever you look. The flexible, bendable light head allows you to adjust the beam angle for precise task lighting. Removing the magnetic cover allows the Klipper to attach to most magnetic surfaces. The magnetic cover is also equipped with a tab that is ideal for storage on a keychain. Simply install on any key set and remove and reinsert the Klipper light when needed. The Klipper's compact size and lightweight design make it an ideal option for work, hobbies, outdoor activities, or everyday carry, whether it's on the brim of a hat or in your pocket on a keychain.